Welcome to Millennium Machinery. Here we have a Metallkraft MBSM 75-200 belt sander. This model is single phase and single speed. You can adjust your height by swiveling the frame. Safety features are your polycarbonate guard here in the front, top cover. You have a rest on the top and a rest on the front, and you have your emergency stop here that's always close to hand. For larger flat surfaces, you can use the top surface here to do your sanding work. You have your adjustable rest here. And for the smaller items, you can use the front of the belt here on the wheel, and again you have your adjustable rest here at the front. So very straightforward. You have start and stop here, with your emergency stop here on the side. Single phase motor, 3 kilowatt motor, so lots of power. You have fittings on the front and rear that you can connect dust extraction units, which are available separately. So we have our Metallkraft brand, which is a sister company of Optimum that we've supplied for years here at Millennium Machinery. For this and all our other equipment, check out millenniummachinery.ie.